And his name is John C.
No! God, please, no!
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hello friends, welcome to kushtech. I'm back again with another video. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix this fail to send the network request to check for update. The problem of most of the people including me. Yeah, it's the problem of update in the Gameloop emulator. Guys, you don't need to uninstall your emulator and reinstall it. I have a small trick to fix this fail to update problem in the Gameloop emulator. So guys, before starting our video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so when I upload a video you will get notified. Now let's start our video guys. First of all, open your Gameloop emulator. Now click on update. As you can see, there is a problem of fail to update. So now simply you have to download a VPN application. In this video I am using Windscribe application for VPN services. You can use any of the available free VPN services application. Now after turning on the VPN, you have to go to your emulator and try to update it again. So as you can see, it start updating the emulator. And yeah guys, till now you can watch my best setting ever for the Gameloop emulator video by clicking on I button. So after the emulator is updated, close the emulator, turn off your VPN and close the VPN application and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open your Gameloop emulator and run the game. So as you can see, the game is working fine. It doesn't show any update message. So we are successfully done here in the process of updating our emulators. Thanks for watching friends. Please like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that red box on my channel. And yeah guys, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and Jai Hind.